Today, I'll show you how to draw a line in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. TradingView has more than one kind of line tool. The most common one is the trend line, but TradingView also has horizontal line, vertical line, ray, and extended line tools. So when people say draw a line, they usually mean the trend line tool, unless they want a perfectly horizontal or vertical line. To get started, open any chart in TradingView and look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Open the Trend Line Tools section and choose Trend Line. TradingView says the Trend Line tool is used to manually draw lines on the chart and can be used to show market trends or any other point of interest. Now click once on the chart where you want the line to begin, then drag to the second point and click again to place the end of the line. That creates your line on the chart. This is the basic way to draw a line in TradingView. If you want a quicker way, TradingView also supports a keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus T to select the Trend Line tool right away. TradingView's Shortcuts page lists that as the standard hotkey for drawing a trend line. There are also a few useful tricks that make drawing easier. TradingView says if you hold Shift while drawing a trend line, it snaps to angles in 45-degree steps. That helps if you want a straight horizontal-looking line or another fixed angle more easily. Now, if what you really want is a horizontal line, TradingView has a separate tool for that. You can choose horizontal line from the same trend line tools section, or simply point to the level on the chart and press Alt plus H. TradingView says horizontal line is especially useful for marking support and resistance levels. After the line is on the chart, you can customize it. Double-click the line to open its settings, where you can change the color, thickness, line style, and other appearance options. TradingView says the trend line style settings let you change how the line looks and even add arrowheads or text. So, in simple terms, open the left toolbar, choose trend line, click the first point, drag to the second point, and place the line. Use Alt plus T for a normal trend line or Alt plus H if you want a horizontal line instead. And that's how to draw a line in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.